The silence after the sale. We don't miss the car, we miss who we were in it. The car was an extension of yourself. Evolutionary brain, we are wired to protect valuable assets. Selling it feels like selling a memory. The empty nest syndrome of a garage. Reflection on the steering wheel. Why it was worth more to you? Ownership creates a psychological bond. Remembering a first date. The car as a witness to your struggles. The decision was rational, the feeling is not. Remembering the money spent. The belief that just one more fix will make it perfect. Emotion overriding financial logic. Sitting in the dark, thinking the endowment effect, it's mine. So it's special. The brain creating a value illusion. The moment of the handshake, the sale. The instant sting of regret as the car leaves. The empty driveway in the rain. Was the money worth it? The brain starting to filter the reality. The anchor being cut. The ghost vibration of the engine. Searching for the car and other cars on the road, touching the old car key. The realization that the stage of life has changed. Preparing for the brain traps. The descent into loss aversion. Explaining loss aversion. Losses hurt 2x more than gains. The immediate sting of absence is more powerful than the gain of money. Memories are not perfect recordings, they are edited. The frustrating moments repairs are deleted. The simple road trips are painted in gold. The brain creating a value illusion after the sale. Sitting on the empty driveway again, feeling the phantom grip on the steering wheel. Counterfactual thinking, generating better, imaginary realities. This loop of what if traps the mind. The brain trying to protect you from pain but causing more. Looking at a photo of the car. Past investments feel wasted. Seeing the neighbor with a similar car. Seeing your old ex-partner with someone new. Questioning the decision. Loss of youth or independence. Deep breath, trying to be rational. Remembering the real reasons. The brain's attempt to protect resources by causing guilt. Rushed or pressured decisions cause more regret. Money spent cannot be recovered. Hot regret versus cold regret. Only the car key in the dark. The journey isn't over. The repair happened to the soul. The value was not in the status, but in the history. Accepting that it's just a machine, but a special one. Overcoming loss aversion by focusing on gains. Letting go of the what-if loops. Finding God in the machine. The mind creates what-if scenarios. The brain creates a better version of reality than the truth. Being trapped in a loop of second-guessing? Staring at the empty parking spot at night. Seeing the car with the new owner. Triggering jealousy and permanence of loss, like seeing an ex-partner with someone new. A cold breeze blowing through the garage. Symbolism of freedom, the car represented your youth. The regret is about the life stage, not the machine losing the feeling of independence. Looking at an old keychain, the car was a container for life. Letting go feels like deleting a chapter of your book, hearing a similar engine sound, regretting. The money spent on repair, the emotional brain views past labor as a waste, the psychological pressure of what have I done, sitting on a park bench, watching traffic, the immediate, intense fire of a forced sale, financial pressure leading to an unwanted decision, the slow realization of what was lost, realizing the upgrade has no soul, rain hitting the window of a new car, the brain trying to protect resources, the conflict between survival and sentiment, tossing the old spare parts. The feeling that you sold a friend, the brain's inability to process modern trade, moving toward the light of healing. Understanding it's a normal process, seeing the truth. Reminding yourself why you sold it. A long, deep breath of relief. Money and less stress. Balancing loss aversion, focusing on the future. The what-if scenarios are fake. A clean white page being turned. The brain protects resources. Regret is just the brain trying to learn. Modern world versus ancestral brain. Sitting on a park bench. Smiling. The feeling is uncomfortable, but it's normal. Final message: you are more than your possessions. Sunset without the car silhouette. Emotional connection. If you feel this way, you are not alone. Subscribe for more deep dives. Sharing the peaceful words. Think differently.
Subscribe our channel.